Lero mbadde sina muntu gwe njagala kuddamu nga nziramu comment ya muntu naye ne comment kanjiddemu mpa olukusa njiddemu kubanga many of our people have this cow mentality. Ambuuziza who is most Western puppet? Answer, Bobiwine. Bobiwine is a Western puppet. Do you know why? Because Westerners don't deal with dictators. They have principles. They work with you on principles. They have been working with Museveni over 38 years. They have been working with him. They have been giving him billions of dollars, billions of euros. Do you understand? They have been working with him, with dictator Museveni, those Western people you are talking about. And when they removed Museveni on AGOA, when they removed Museveni in AGOA, he cried. He went there begging that those Western people. He went there begging. But when he come here in Uganda and he start fooling you, you see colonialists, you see colonialists, you see colonialists, because they have chased him because of his deeds. Because of his deeds. He's a corrupt man. He's a murderer. He violates human rights. He still votes. That's why they have chased him away. Because he don't follow the rules. Those Western people, they deal with people who have democracy, who respect human rights. And even me, I want to ask you, who is the Chinese puppets? Who is the Chinese puppets? And Museveni right now, when the Westerners chased him away, they don't want to give him money again. That's why he ran to Chinese and Russians. Do you know why? Because they are dictators. They are like him. Birds of the same feathers, flocks together. Museveni eri baamugoba. Tebakyamuwa sente. Okitegeera. Tebakyamuwa sente. That's why abavumirira. Naddukira mu ba China, and Chinese are the worst people. Ofunda n'abazungu. Kubanga abazungu osobola okubafunamu. But what are we getting from Chinese? What are we gaining from Chinese? World Bank ateri China. Museveni have so many loans in World Bank. World Bank is not from China, so don't fool people. Don't fool people. Museveni, once he was a puppet of Western countries. Museveni, once he was a puppet of Europeans. When he was fighting Obote, he went there asking them to stop funding Obote. They supported him. He went there asking for guns. Where did he get the guns to fight that war in 1960? In 1986? Where did he get the guns to fight that war? He was a Western puppet. But they are tired of him because of a dictatorship. Because of his bad governance. Corruption. They always give him money, donations. In World Health Organization, he get money. In UN, he get money. Is that money from where? It's not from West. It's not from Western countries. Just because they have chased him because of his dictatorship and violation of human rights. That's how now you are talking nonsense. That puppets. Which puppets are you talking about? Museveni is still now a puppet of Europeans. Yes. And now when he see that they have already tired of him, now he's forcing himself on Chinese and Russians because they are communists, because they are dictators. They don't respect human rights. What are we getting from Chinese? Apart from taking our economy. Have you ever seen any Europeans come to Uganda to do business in Uganda on streets of Kampala? Have you? What are we getting from Chinese? Now Museveni is getting loans from Chinese, Exim Bank of China. They get loans from China, and those Chinese are the ones get the contracts to do the project, which we have borrowed money for those projects. Do you understand? So please stop fooling Ugandans. Stop fooling people. Museveni has been a liar for 40 years. He has been lying. He's a puppet of colonialists. Museveni himself is a puppet of colonialists. But now they are tired of him because of violation of human rights, corruption, dictating. That's why they have chased him away. Now he don't have anywhere to run. That's how he ran to China. Is China African country? Let me ask you, you stupid, I don't know if you are a woman or you are a man. Is China and Russia African countries? Do you know that Russia and China now, they are trying to colonize Africa again? Or you don't know? Who am I fooling? You go and fool those stupid people who don't pay attention to the nation. Who don't pay attention to the world. Who is the puppet of West? What a fuck.